friends, I hope you are doing well. In a couple of days, I am going to present a series of lectures on Islamic architecture. The area to be included in this lecture series will span from China to Spain and will include Central Asia, Persia, Middle East, North Africa, and Spain. In this lecture series, I will going to discuss the basic concept and philosophy of Islamic architecture, the stylistic development and regional architectural form, synchronic and diachronic influences, and sources and mode of influences. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so that you get all the information and make sure that you will not miss any of these lectures. Thank you.